This talk will be about transiting exoplanets and the impact we are expecting from the PLATO mission. Why are transiting exoplanets interesting? Well, when we start habitability and the potential of planets to develop life, we need to assess certain parameters of these planets, whether they are rocky planets, what is their interior, do they have an atmosphere, what could be their composition, and so on. So all these parameters we would like to know to address habitability. However, if you look at the known extrasolar planets, we know actually very little up to this point. We have few observations, few detections, and observations are heavily biased from the limitations of the various observational techniques. Transiting planets are interesting in this respect because from transiting planets we have the potential to address all of these parameters observationally with future instrumentation. So that is something I like to discuss. We will look at the observing techniques, in particular at the transit technique, the potential it has to learn more about rocky planets. We will review what is known today. And finally, I will give you an introduction to the PLATO mission and what we are expecting from this mission in terms of detecting planets, small planets in the habitable zone of solar-like stars, determining their ages, and have planets for follow-up with spectroscopic telescopes in the future. So you will get an overview of what we expect since PLATO will launch in spring next year. And I want to make you tuned and stay tuned for this launch and what is there to come.